like a vacuum hose or anything, right?
No, it's just in here. It still ain't got fuel to the carburetor yet. It ain't overflowing the carburetor anymore, and it was running. I'll leave the choke on a little longer.
What is clattering so?
It's the clutch, Mom. It's supposed to clatter. There's that valve anchor out later in there. I got it pointed back down again, but it's like same way I put on mine. It's like $25, $35. Yeah, it's like as soon as the choke falls off of it, that means it's getting too much fuel.
Well, choke it would be getting more fuel, or it ain't getting enough fuel. Choke is